Lesson 1, Part 1. Hi, I'm Ben. I'm 20 years old. I come from Spain. Lesson 1, Part 2. I'm Ben. Am I Ben or am I Tim?
Ben, you're Ben.
Who am I?
Ben, you're Ben.
Am I Tim?
No, you're not Tim. You're Ben.
Lesson 1, Part 3. I'm 20 years old. Am I 10 years old?
No, you're not 10 years old. You're 20.
Am I 20 years old?
Yes, you're 20 years old.
Who's 20 years old?
You're 20 years old.
How old am I?
20. You're 20 years old.
Lesson 1, Part 4. I come from Spain. Do I come from Spain or Germany?
Spain. You come from Spain.
Where do I come from?
Spain. You come from Spain.
Who comes from Spain?
You. You come from Spain.
Do I come from Italy?
No, you don't come from Italy. You come from Spain. Lesson 1, Part 5. He's Ben. He's not 10 years old. He's 20 years old. He comes from Spain.
Lesson 1, Part 6. I was Ben. I wasn't 10 years old. I was 20 years old. I came from Spain.
Lesson 1, Part 7. He was Ben. He wasn't 10 years old. He was 20 years old. He came from Spain. Bye.